Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that could change your life and boost your income. Are you ready to learn how to start a short-term rental arbitrage business? Let's dive right in. How to start a short-term rental arbitrage business. Before we begin, let's quickly explain what short-term rental arbitrage is. In simple terms, it's a business model where you lease a property from a landlord and then rent it out as a short-term rental on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. The goal is to generate a profit by charging higher nightly rates than your lease payment. Sounds intriguing, right? Step 1. Research and market analysis. The first step is conducting thorough research and market analysis. This will help you identify the best location for your rental property and understand the demand and competition in that area. You want to find a market with high occupancy rates, popular attractions, and a shortage of short-term rentals. This step is crucial for ensuring your business thrives. Step 2. Find the right property. Now that you have identified a potential market, it's time to find the perfect property. Look for properties that are in desirable locations, close to tourist attractions, and have amenities that appeal to travelers. Remember, the property doesn't have to be extravagant, it just needs to provide a comfortable and enjoyable experience for your guests. Step 3. Negotiate the lease. Once you have found the ideal property, it's time to negotiate the lease with the landlord. Be prepared to explain your business model and how it benefits both parties. Negotiate terms that allow you to sublet the property as a short-term rental and ensure that you can cover your lease payments while making a profit. Step 4. Furnish and decorate. Now comes the fun part. Furnishing and decorating your rental property can make a significant difference in attracting guests and earning positive reviews. Aim for a modern and welcoming design that caters to the needs and preferences of your target audience. Don't forget to include essential amenities like Wi-Fi, comfortable beds, and a well-equipped kitchen. Step 5. Create an outstanding listing. To stand out from the competition, you need to create an outstanding listing on platforms like Airbnb. Take professional quality photos, write a compelling description, and highlight the unique features of your property. Ensure that your pricing is competitive and consider offering special promotions or discounts to attract initial guests and gain positive reviews. Step 6. Manage bookings and guest communication. Once your listing is live, you'll start receiving bookings. Efficiently managing those bookings and communicating with your guests is crucial for maintaining a positive reputation. Respond to inquiries promptly, provide clear instructions for check-in and check-out, and address any guest concerns or issues promptly. Happy guests lead to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Step 7. Optimize and expand. Congratulations! You have successfully started your short-term rental arbitrage business. But the journey doesn't end here. Continuously optimize your operations, gather guest feedback, and make necessary improvements. As your business grows, consider expanding your portfolio by adding more rental properties and exploring new markets. That wraps up our guide on how to start a short-term rental arbitrage.